Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jackie and I'm really glad that you're here. So I have been really disappointed with my tomatoes. It's summer here in southeast Queensland and I really thought that I'd be able to grow some tomatoes over summer. And all of my large tomatoes I've got one plant left out of maybe 12 large tomato plants. I've got one left. They've all not done very well and I've got very little fruit off of those plants. But I have tried a new tomato this year called the Thai pink egg tomato. It's a determinate tomato and it's done really well. A lot of the plants aren't looking great now. I think they're probably just going off, but I'm actually going to have a go at planting a few more and see whether or not they will continue to do well throughout the summer. It is really hot. We've had a really hot day today and it's forecasted to be really hot over the next few days. So they're probably not going to do great, but there's quite a few that need to be picked. And so I just thought I'd show you the abundance that these Thai pink egg tomatoes have brought me this season.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
That's off one plant. That's off one plant. I just can't get over that. Now, I haven't had a lot to do with determinate varieties. I seem to recall that they do kind of all come on at once. I think that's right. And I have picked some of these quite green, but mostly because the plants don't look great and I think that they could probably do without those really big fruit still on it. So I'm trying to be helpful and I figure that they will actually ripen up on the kitchen bench if they're sitting in amongst other riper tomatoes. So let's pick some more.
Sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me,
Oh,
meant to be in the great outdoors,
it's always disappointing. That one will have a little creeper in it.
forever free.
So any of these ones that have obviously had something in them, or they might have something in them, I put into a plastic bag and leave it in the sun. And hopefully if there's something in it, it's killed. So I don't spray anything on my garden. I just have to put up with a bit of this.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So this is my tomato harvest. Now the plants are not looking great. I'm not sure some of them are going to make it, but it has been so hot here, so hot and so humid, and those plants way surpassed the other plants that I had. So I have high hopes for being able to get a few more tomatoes. Yeah, as I say, I did pick some of them quite green, but hopefully some of them will ripen, because some of them are they're really lovely. Some of them are really big. They're really lovely. They're quite acidic. Interesting. I'm just trying to think what I'll actually do with them. We have been having them in salads, and they have been very good in salads, but I was just kind of trying to think what else I could do with them. But Thai pink egg tomatoes. They're obviously, I mean, you would think that they would do well in a subtropical environment, given things they do well in Thailand. However, you just never know. But they have done very well here, and I'm really pleased with them. And if you have a similar environment to me, similar temperature and weather patterns, perhaps you could give them a go. I'll let you know what I end up doing with them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you again soon.